Uh-huh. Fire.
Come here, Elijah.
Wanna go in the fire?
You want to sit down with Kuya and Nathan?
Why not?
Nathan, do you like the bonfire?
Yeah. You took a shower?
Hi, Rock.
Why are you wearing wet?
This is going to be in FB.
Say, cut the cheese. You're Chinese. You cut the cheese.
Rocky again, cooking barbecue.
That's right. You smell what the Rock's cooking?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's logs.
What do you think about Uncle Rock's barbecue, Elijah?
Where's the marshmallows?
I don't know.
Wait, you got to wait for that one, Nathan.
Oh, yeah, because it's not really burning up that much.
Stop, man.
Oh, this is wet also.
What's up, Jerry?
Everything is wet.
What's up, Jerry?
Barbecue, huh? Hey, you got the squid, the squid. You got the squid there, Jerry. Alright.
What's up, James? What are you doing, James?
Six squid. Big one. Okay, man.
What are you cutting there, James?
Cheese.
Cheese? Let me see. Let me see what kind of cheese is that, James.
Yeah, listen to Ali. Yes.
Is that what it is?
Tri-tip.
Tri-tip?
Yeah, got the tri-tip.
Holy
Put on
scourer.
the Facebook. Put on the Facebook.
Yes, sir. It's about to go in.
Yeah.
Patrick,
Yes?
it's mostly burning the cardboard than the...
Rocky doing some cooking. That's okay, Nathan.
Then we're going to do this again on Pacquiao's fight.
That's right. Pacquiao's fight.
Yeah.
Over here.